Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a brand new video and it's actually that time of year. It is sample source time. So if you guys are interested in finding out the samples I got for fall 2018, then please stay tuned. And also if you're not subscribing, don't forget to hit the button. That's gonna help you stay up to date. So I've been doing these videos for years because I love free things. And I love free samples. I don't want to waste my money on things that I don't have to. So I'm just gonna jump right in here so we can see what samples I got. So the first thing I got was this little Temptations cat food tasty chicken flavor. So I'm pretty sure my cat will be pumped about that. Ooh, the next thing I got was coconut basmati rice from a brand called Tilda. And actually I just microwave it. I can't wait to try this. Should be super yummy. I'm like obsessed with rices like that. I'm just such a lazy cook. The next thing I got was this Royal Canin indoor cat food. So my cat is gonna be really excited for this stuff. I noticed this year they didn't have as many samples as usual, so this is probably gonna be a really short video because I feel like I'm almost done. The next thing I got was the Pursell Pro Clean Power Caps. So you get one power cap, and that is for your dishwasher, or no, not your dishwasher, for your laundry machine. The next thing I got, more cat treats. It's gonna be a very happy cat. He's like getting more than I am in this. Then I got like some John Frieda samples. So I got these John Frieda samples. I'm probably not gonna use them. I'm probably actually gonna donate them to a shelter. I kind of have the shampoo that I like. And yeah, so these are their Forever Smooth and their Miraculous Recovery ones. Not huge on John Frieda, but I think this is also a coupon. This is good for coupons. No, it's just a little info pack. There's some coupons for the rice, so save $1, which is awesome. Oh, and this is a free product coupon for soup. I don't know if I can eat any of these because they're all chicken based, but I'm sure I can give these to someone that can. I'm vegetarian for those of you who don't know. Save $1 on Folgers. I really like that coffee, so. And this is sprouted bread, so there's a thing for a free loaf. Looks good. Cinnamon raisin bread, super yummy. There's this Voltaren stuff. I've never tried it, but apparently it's really good, like if you have sore muscles. There's a cashew bar. It's a raspberry dark chocolate hazelnut. I'm probably going to take that for my lunch today. I'm going to work after very soon. I filmed this video, so I'll probably bring that. Here's some Folgers, so Colombian coffee, intensely dark. I don't know what roasts these are. I recently heard that lighter roasts have the most caffeine in it, so that was actually surprising for me. I was like mind blown. And then I got some of this Voltaren back and muscle stuff. So that was everything in my sample source. So thank you to all the companies that donated or that is participating in this, because this is a really good way to get people to try your products. Like I said, I was surprised. I found this one didn't have as many products as they usually do. And I wasn't even late like getting samples or anything. Like I noticed, I went on Facebook and looked at it, kind of comments, and people were like, wow, there's not as much as usual. But I can't complain, like everything is free. So I'm really excited to try these products. So let me know if you guys have signed up for Sample Source, if you got as many samples. Like this video, if you like these types of videos. I was thinking more of like getting into like samples and things I receive in the mail. So let me know if you guys would like that. So thank you for all your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful day.